Where is Godzilla?
He ran away 2 times this month.
Watch the gate. Don't leave it open.
Relax, Grandma. We got this.
Double combo.
Let's go. We need to be fast.
Where is Godzilla?
Sleeping on the porch, Grandpa.
Watch the gate. Don't leave it open.
He ran away 2 times this month.
Relax, Grandma. We got this.
We promised, Grandpa. He's safe with us.
1 hour. That's it.
Come on, pick your character.
I'm gonna win.
No way.
Same thing you said yesterday.
Yesterday was different. My controller was broken.
Sure it was. Take that. Double combo.
Hey! That cheated.
Not cheating. You're just slow.
Fine. You won. I need water.
Bring me some too. With ice.
Isa.
What?
The gate. It's open.
Where is Godzilla?
The lock. We didn't close it right.
We promised. We looked at Grandpa and promised.
Crying won't bring him back. Let's go. Now. Godzilla! Come here, boy. Come here. Please.
What if he's lost?
We'll find him. Focus.
He doesn't know the whole neighborhood.
He's big and loud. Someone saw him.
He never goes this far.
This time might be different.
Should we call Grandpa?
No, not yet. We find him first.
Godzilla? Are you here, boy? Is that you? This is his collar. It's torn. How did this happen? Oh, Hector, come here. Now.
Where did you find that?
I found it, Hector. Over there, in the grass.
Collars come off, Isa. It happens.
It was on him. Someone pulled it off.
No one took him. He's too big.
Then where is he?
We keep looking. He's close. I feel it.
You feel it or you hope?
Both.
Did you hear that? That's him.
Over there, near that old fence. Isa! Look!
We can't leave him. Look at his eyes.
I know, I see him. That slope is dangerous. Wet ground. Loose rocks.
Call the fire department? Call Grandpa?
Too slow. He's hurting himself trying to move.
I go down. You stay here and watch.
Alone? Hector, that's crazy.
I left the gate open. This is on me.
Promise me you'll go slow.
I promise. This time, it counts. Easy, Godzilla. I'm coming, boy. Stop moving.
Watch the big rock on your right.
This one?
No. The gray one. Lower.
Got it.
Hector, hold on.
I'm holding. But this route won't last long.
Don't let go. I'm getting help.
Go. Run.
Hello, Isa. Are you there?
We need help. Hector. Hector is trapped. Just give me your hand.
Hector, stay still. Help is coming.
Please hurry.
What happened?
My hands are slipping.
The water level is changing. We need to move now.
Go get help. Call Grandpa.
I can't leave you. Maybe I can pull you up.
No, Isa. Stay back. You're too far away.
Just give me your hand.
I can't reach. I'm okay. Don't come closer.
But I need to do something.
Call Grandpa.
What if I can't explain it?
Mention the old fence in the stream. He'll understand.
I found his number.
Hello, Isa. Are you there?
Grandpa? Please answer. We need help. Hector. Hector is trapped. Please come quickly.
What? Hector is trapped? Explain everything.
Godzilla ran away. We followed him. Hector slipped while helping him.
Stay back and put the phone on speaker.
Yes. He can hear me.
Hector, stay still. Help is coming. Don't try climbing again.
Okay, Grandpa. Please hurry.
Isa, keep talking to him. Stay with your brother. I'm leaving now.
Please come quickly.
No, I understand. We need to leave.
What happened?
Hector and Isa need help, now. Hector is trapped near the stream.
Oh my God. Let's go.
You heard Grandpa. Don't move. He's coming.
My arms are tired. My hands are slipping.
Keep your feet still. Hold the root firmly. Stay focused.
Godzilla, stop moving. Look at me. Stay calm. Grandpa is coming.
He recognized your voice. Keep talking to him.
He's still scared. So am I.
Remember Grandpa's slipper? Godzilla slept on it while everyone searched.
Grandpa blamed me first. He always does.
Because you lose everything.
You're right. I'll never ignore the gate again. We're taking you home, boy.
I hear a car. Grandpa is here.
Isa, we're here.
Isa, where is your brother? Is he hurt? Is he okay?
He slipped helping Godzilla. He can't climb back. I don't know if he's hurt.
Hector, can you hear me? How are you doing?
Yes, Grandpa. My arms are exhausted. I can't hold much longer.
Press your feet against the wall. Move slowly. Keep your elbows close.
Okay, this feels a little better.
Good. Stay exactly like that. Keep looking at me and breathe slowly.
The rescue team is only a few minutes away. Stay with me.
Grandpa, please save Godzilla too. He's still down there.
They will rescue both of you. You're not alone anymore. Godzilla, stay calm. Help is almost here. We're taking you home too.
I'm looking, Grandpa. I know you're here.
I hear them. The rescue team is here.
The boy is near the stream. He's awake, but his arms are tired. We must hurry.
Hector, stay still. We're preparing the safety line now. Keep holding. I'm almost there. Look at me. I have you now. Stay still. The harness is secure.
Come on, Hector. You're almost here. Hector, you're back. I was so scared.
I'm okay. My arms hurt, but I'm safe. Godzilla still needs help. He's waiting for us.
The water level is changing. We need to move now.
He needs someone he trusts.
We need a familiar voice to keep Godzilla calm.
He knows my voice. I'll help him.
Follow every instruction. Stay beside the rescuer.
Keep both hands on the rope and stay beside me.
Both lines are secure. Lowering slowly.
Godzilla, it's me. Stay calm. We're taking you home.
Pass the strap under his chest and hold it firmly.
Easy, boy. I'm right here. You're doing great.
One paw is free. Keep supporting him.
Stay with me, boy. We're almost done.
He's free. Keep the strap around him. We're going up.
Keep your grip, Hector. We're almost there, pal. Pant, pant.
They're coming up. Godzilla is with them.
Come here, boy. I'm sorry. We're never losing you again.
He needs someone he trusts.
First, let's get everyone home safely.
Easy, Godzilla. We're home now.
Your bed is waiting inside, boy.
Today, twice feels safer.
Grandpa, we need to apologize. We didn't protect Godzilla.
Tell me exactly what happened.
We went inside to play and forgot to check the gate.
Maybe the wind opened it, but not checking was still our mistake.
That is why we warned you. Godzilla follows anything interesting.
We should have called immediately instead of trying to fix everything alone.
Exactly. Everyone returned safely, but you must learn from today.
We'll check the gate every time and call when something happens.
Good. Thank you for telling the truth. No video game for 1 week.
I knew something bad was coming.
Next time, we tie Hector outside. Godzilla listens better.
Why me? Very funny.
See? Even Godzilla agrees.
I'm sorry, boy.
I think he forgives you. Now everyone needs some rest.
Home feels really good today.
Especially with Godzilla here.
And with the gate locked.